In this lesson, we're going to share our understanding of the text Nara and the Island. Before you watch the video, make sure that you complete the prediction part of the worksheet. So this is the top bit on your worksheet. Just using the pictures and the title, have a think. What do you think this story will be about? Just write one sentence having a guess what you think will happen in the story. Here's a picture for you to have a look at. When you've done that, settle down and watch the video of us reading the story to you before carrying on with this work. So the next part of our worksheet is the clarification. This just means that we're going to look at any words that we didn't understand. So were there any words in that book that you've never heard of before that you didn't really know what they meant? Write them down and then look up what they mean and write their meaning next to them. I've got some examples here. You can use mine or you might have some of your own. So the word shore, and I found out that the shore is the land that is next to the sea. So on the island where Nara is, she can look around the island as long as she stays close to the shore. So that means that she has to stay close to the sea. The next word was explore. And I found out that explore means that you travel to learn about something. So Nara wanted to explore. She wanted to travel to the island to learn about it. My next word, curious. And that means that you're eager to learn. If you're curious about something, it means you want to find out more about it. So Nara was curious about the island and she wanted to learn about it. My last one that I could think of was hideaway. And I just know that a hideaway is a place to hide. You might have some of the same words as me, you might have some different. You might have 5 words that you're not sure of, or you might have just had 2. It doesn't matter how many you have. Just write down a couple and write down the meaning of those words. The next part of the worksheet is to summarise. You had a little go at this for other stories. This is a part where we just want you to use 1 or 2 sentences to summarise what happened in the story. So we're not writing the whole story, we're just using 1 or 2 sentences to give the reader a little bit of an idea. So I have done an example for you. I've used 2 sentences. It says, a girl wished she could live somewhere more exciting. She explores a new island and realises that where she lives is not so bad. So it's just 2 sentences that explains a little bit about the story. I've not included lots of detail. I've kept it fairly simple so we don't spoil the story for the reader. Have a go at that last part of the worksheet.